Hi, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday on Christy's A+ Cooking. Today, Z is for zesty. Let's get started. Today's featured recipe is zesty chicken enchilada pasta salad. You're going to take 16 ounces of your favorite pasta and cook it al dente style, about 7 minutes. And I chose the tri-colored pasta rotini. Then you're going to make your dressing. You're going to drain that and cool it. You're going to add 2/3 cups of enchilada sauce, your favorite, and 1/2 cup of sour cream, and the juice from 1/2 of a lime. And you're gonna stir that, whisk it in till it's nice and smooth. And then you're gonna add different ingredients. You're gonna add 1 can of drained yellow corn, and a can of drained and rinsed black beans, 1/2 cup of chopped red onion, and the original recipe called for chopping a whole jalapeno, but I only chopped about 1/3 of it because I didn't want it to be too zesty and hot. And then you're going to add 2 cups of rotisserie chicken. That's my favorite go-to when I need to have chicken quickly for a recipe. And then we're going to add the dressing and combine it till it's all mixed in. And then you're going to refrigerate it for at least an hour. This is one of those other recipes that I'm really looking forward to trying. When you serve it, you can add fresh avocados, sliced black olives, fresh cilantro, or even some pepper jack cheese. Here is today's recipe. If you're liking my videos, be sure to like them and subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell your family and friends about it. We just finished A through Z for a 2nd season. So thanks for watching Tasty Tuesday, and I'll see you next September.